Hi everyone! I have a little nifty DIY for you. Do you have 3 minutes? Stick around until the end of the video and see how you can easily transform your toilet paper rolls to simple and elegant gift boxes. They are inexpensive, beautiful, and easy to make. You will not be tossing out your toilet paper rolls anymore. You will need toilet paper roll, napkin or serviette, ribbon, Mod Podge, and paintbrush. First, measure the size of the napkin needed to cover your toilet paper roll. Then, cut it out. Here is a little tip to save paper. Depending on the direction you decide to roll your paper, you may need either more or lesser paper. What I mean is, as you can see here, when I roll the paper in this direction, I have a huge piece remaining. Whereas now, if I roll it with the print being vertical, I am using slightly more paper. Alright. Second, lightly layer your toilet paper roll with Mod Podge. Then, place the toilet paper roll over your cutout piece and roll it until smooth. Seal the end if needed. Then push the top and bottom paper inside your toilet paper roll. Now, let's work with the top and bottom. Gently push in one side and then push in the other side. Here is another tip. Push the inner side first. Gently push in the inner side and then push the other side. Here is your gift box, but we will continue with the final touch. You notice these wet patches? They will dry out. For the final touch, wrap your gift box with ribbons. Here is an elegant toilet paper roll gift box. Here are some other ways you can decorate your gift boxes. Put a bow on it. Bedazzle it. For this one, I used a wrapping paper instead of a napkin. For this one, I removed the bottom layer of the napkin and you can see the brown color underneath it. Here is a comparison. The bottom gift box has the bottom layer intact. I personally prefer the look of the bottom gift box. You can also insert a ribbon through a gift tag and wrap it like so. Use a foldable tag. This gift box can be used for many different purposes. It is so versatile. You can use this as a children's birthday party favor with wrapping paper and curling ribbon, or even as a small surprise on a regular day. If you decide to fill it with candies, make sure it is individually wrapped. You can also use it as a sachet. Poke some holes and fill it with 1 part rice and 2 parts lavender or rosemary mint essential oil. To use it as an air freshener on your shoe rack, insert a lint inside the pouch. You can also place it with your diffuser and candles. Don't you think it looks so pretty? Place it around the house for fresh scents. Your house will smell amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe and keep sparkling.